Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go again. Yo, 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 what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with one, the only, the indelible one, DBL Nicks
In the house.
in the house. And of course, the bushy tail Serengeti specialist, DBL Moms.
Hey!
Yeah, yeah, that's what's going on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kindly subscribe the YouTube channel and do what this young man says right over here?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Sharing is caring, folks. Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Okay. Also, if you're not subscribed to our Twitter, x.com, it's at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Money.
At Coach Nick Money. And Facebook is at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Money.
Instagram's at Coach Nick Money.
At Coach Money.
And TikTok is at DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks.
At DBL Nicks. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Of course, we're going to be streaming on social media and then switching over at around 9:25 to our private Discord. You're invited to come and join us. There's a link in the description and in the pinned comment to take a 4-day trial with the Discord for $1.99. It is essentially an amazing Discord.
Welcome, Bobo.
What's up, Bobo? What's up? It is absolutely fire. Even on days when there's not that much traction, we're calling out runners like ONCO, up 90%, CNEY, 63%, DUO, 63%, CHRO, 26%, RGF, 57%, XPON, 46%, and CDIO, 33%. And of course, we called ONCO for our Discord yesterday. Yesterday, and then what, 4 or 5 hours ago before it ran? I mean, come on.
Yes.
Come on, who's doing that? Who's doing that?
Who's doing?
Come on. Hashtag no 10% runners, ladies and gentlemen.
No 10% runners.
ONCO moving. Recent reverse split, up 91%. The float's on the heavy side, 28 million, but it is moving on relatively low float and has been moving all morning. The volume is 9 million, and there's been some insider buying, so we're going to keep an eye on it because it is moving. It is moving. So it broke resistance at around the $6 mark, and it has been continuing to go up 94%. Could this be the next bagger? Could it be, Doubles? Could it be? I don't know. I need to get myself into this mode. I need to get a little bit more aggressive. I'm too passive, Doubles. I'm gonna get myself some espresso just to get myself lionated. There we go. 97%. And it's still moving. It's moving kind of slowly. Remember, the float is on the heavy side. Ladies and gentlemen, we are not giving you stock or financial advice. This is not stock or financial advice. We're not stock or financial advisors. This is just a show.
Hey.
Do your own due diligence, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, let's do that. Okay, let's share the stream. Come on, we got to get more people because if we're not going to get enough people, why am I doing this? Come on now. Come on, let's share. We got a potential runner here. Let's get some people here. Yeah. All right. Currently 98%. We're watching. It needs to break over the previous high. 98%. Pulling back. We're going to want to see it stay above the last high, which was around 640-ish. Let's see what happens here. This is the one that is the leading gainer of the morning. It's a Friday morning, so it's going to be a little slow. But it just takes one, right, Doubles?
Yes.
Just takes one. Just one. That's all it takes.
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll keep an eye on it. Let's go to 1 minute. See what's going on. 1 minute. 1 minute. You can see that the RSI is extended quite a bit into the overbought area. We have our first red candle after several green candles. There's resistance roughly at around 670, 680. But we're going to keep an eye on it because maybe it can break through this resistance area of around 660 and give us another leg. Let's see. This could be just a pullback. If it can hold itself up above this level, which it looks like it might, we might get another round. Let's see. Let's see what's going on. It is quite extended at this level. Aside from the insider buying, I'm not really seeing any other particular news on it. We'll keep an eye on it for another second. Looks like it might not hold that level. All right, you know what? I'm getting a little bored. Let's go to TNXP. TNXP with some patent news. Choppy. It's a cheapo stock, but it is moving. So we'll keep an eye on it. TNXP. TNXP in the house. Currently up 26%. It's a 17-cent stock. The float on this one, heavy as well, but it is a cheap stock. 20 million float. Volume, only 8 million. And it is trying its best to move upward. Tonix Pharmaceutical announced issuance of U.S. patent covering the subcutaneous delivery of FDA-approved Zembrance Simtunch to treat migraines. That's the story. That's the story. I'm going to put it on a side chart, doubles. I'm going to put it on a side chart. Yeah. CNEY, another ticker that's been moving in the morning. You can see that it made a triple top over here, but maybe it could be the makings, if we put it on the 5-minute, maybe it could be the makings of, I don't know, an uptrend, maybe, but we have some issues that have to be addressed, right? So it's generally trying to trend upward. I mean, you could theoretically say that it has a pennant, but CNEY, it is one of those sub-dollar stocks. It's going to be risky. It's currently up 57%. The float is low, 2 million. It does have a lot of volume, okay? They had some insider buying. Okay? However, it has to maintain this uptrend over here and break through this level over here, and it has significant resistance at that 97 level. So it needs to not only break this level over here and this level over here, but it also has to break this level. And if we get that happening, we got other resistance levels over here that we'll check out. So let's get this stream shared. Let's get it shared. Shared. Let's share this. Come on. We got to get more people in here. I'm giving you a lot of content, folks. Let's share. Come on. I got to get motivated. Sharing is caring. All right. All I ask is that you share. That's all I need you to do. You share, and I'll put out more content for you. No problemo. All right, so we got BMEA. It ran yesterday, and now it's up about 11%. No biggie. They had the FDA lift a hold on its phase 1, phase 2 study. That was yesterday at around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Currently up 13%. Float 22 million, only 60,000 shares moving this. Not a lot of volume. Not really that interesting. But TNXP is moving with its patent news, so let's go back to that one. TNXP, moving and grooving. Up currently 30%. It's moving slowly, but it is moving. It is super extended, as you can tell, on the 5-minute doubles. On the 5-minute doubles. On the 5-minute doubles. Now we're going to the 1 minute.
1 minute.
We're going to the 1 minute. And it's got a bit of a top tail. It's extended on the 1 minute as well. We currently have a 30% move on it. It is at 18 cents. Of course, because it's a sub-dollar stock, it's going to be very, very volatile. Again, moving on an announcement of an issuance of U.S. patent covering a subcutaneous delivery of FDA-approved Zembrance Simtunch to treat migraines. But you can see it is choppy. It's an inexpensive stock, so it's going to be choppy. Back to ONCO. I mean, there's nothing that's super wonderful today, folks. Not yet. But it doesn't take much, doubles. It doesn't take much, you know what I mean? Things happen, you know what I mean? Things just out of the blue, they start running. So you just got to be a sniper. You know, doubles? A sniper. That espresso ice, your mother, she is phantasmic at finding stonk runners and making espresso ice. Gotta love her. I tell you. Gotta love her. Okay, so we're still looking for some more stonks. trying to see what's going on. TNPX is trying to move again. It's moving very slowly. It's a heavier floated stock. I mean, that's what happens, doubles, when the stocks are heavy. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
You know what I mean? They're heavy. When they're heavy, they're heavy. So we now have resistance at 1795. Let's go ahead and put a little graffiti pencil action over there. Right there. Hold on. 1795. Right there. Boom. Boom, right there. So we're going to put this on a side chart because it's moving ever so daintily, if you will. CNEY. Let's check it out again. And it seems to be filling the pennant over here that we have. But we need a breakout of this upper ridge of the pennant for it to really become shemexy. Yeah. XPON, ladies and gentlemen. XPON. Let's go and check out what's going on with XPON. So the story with XPON is it's a 9-cent stock, currently up 39%. I'm going to guess it's probably a D-list just because it's so cheap, but I could be wrong. Who knows? I'm just saying. Float 52 million. Volume 72 million. Okay. All right. We'll put it on a side chart, doubles. Side chart. Just because, just because it's a cheapo stock and, maybe something could happen with it. Maybe it can grow up and be a good stunk. I don't know. I'm just talking out loud. Duo ran yesterday, and of course we called it early. Come on. But today it failed with this bull pennant. It broke down. So, I don't know. I'm not feeling it right now. No. We'll get rid of this pennant over here. Looks like a double top doubles. You know what I mean? Yeah. Double top. One over here. One over here. That would make it bearish, and then it did the flusheroonie. It broke through the flusheroonie. Maybe a descending wedge. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. A little resistance at the VWAPA right there. I don't know. We'll come back. We'll put you on the side chart, Duo.
Side chart.
You got to do better than that. Yesterday you ran a lot. Okay. All right. Okay. I get it. But today,
you want to give me a problem.
You want to give me problem. You buy the 40, you give me $3, I give you 50 cents. Everything okay. Today, you want to give me problem, my friend. I don't know why. I don't know. Anywho. All right. Let's see. ESTA. Folks, ESTA looks like trash. Trash, I tell you. Trash. No. AEI. OU. And sometimes why you look like trash. Trash, I tell you. No. NAAS. Not enough volume. Not enough volume. TNXP, baby. What's up, TNXP? How you doing? Oh, you're testing the high of the day. You're still grinding on up? You're grinding. It's a grinder. It's grinding up 31%. Kind of boring. We'll put you on the side chart. Side chart until you wake up. Come on now. You got to wake up. Wake up. Come on now. All right. Duo is kind of curling on a very slow amount of momentum. Very slowly. Let's put it on the 1 minute doubles. 1 minute. And you can see it just doesn't have the volume. Look at all this. Look at all this barcoding, doubles. What is this? What is this barcoding about? What are you doing? I know you ran yesterday, but today you're going to barcode on me? I don't get it. We got... Good morning, Jimmy. Good morning. TNXP. Let's do some levels here. TNXP. We got folks asking about TNXP. Let's go ahead and create some levels. Let's go to a higher time frame. Let's go, that's too much. Let's go to a shorter time frame. Let's go to this one. All right, so we got some levels already drawn over here. Let's see. That would be a level right there. We probably have a level right over here. Another level over here. And over here. So we got these levels. Let's go to a shorter time frame. Let's go to the 5 minute doubles. Super extended, moving slowly, but we have some levels available over here. So the next resistance area would be around 1859. roughly around 19, and then 1940. Those are the levels on this particular ticker. And again, moving on the news of FDA issuance of treatment for a migraine. The issue with the stock is, number one, it's one of those cheapo stocks, so it's going to be volatile. Number two, there's not a lot of volume on it because it has a 20 million float and only 14 million volume. It has the news, but it doesn't have the volume. So we're going to put it on a side chart, ladies and gentlemen.
Chart.
It's been grinding up, but you see it has that top tail.
We don't like top
And that's
tails.
what happens when you have a big float and not enough volume. So nobody paying attention to TNXP right now. They're not paying too much attention to it. That's the reason why it's moving slow. But it is moving up. So it's up 33%. So we'll put it on a side chart. Keep an eye on it. We will keep an eye on it, doubles. Yes, we will.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to ONCO. 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 Let's go. Let's go to ONCO. And ONCO is kind of bearish. Yeah, I would say it's kind of bearish. It needs to hold this level over here of 640, I would say. Yeah. Let's take a look at it on 1 minute doubles. Let's look. Let's see.
1 minute?
So we could see that the RSI is starting to pull downward towards the oversold area, but there's still room for that to continue going down. And you can see that the volume has diminished. And this could potentially be an irregular head and shoulders. Your shoulder would be here, head, and another irregular shoulder, which could potentially mean a pull down. We could see that there's a significant gap between the VWAP and the 9 EMA, and we see that the 9 EMA is pulling downward. And what did I say it was going to do? I said it was going to pull back, didn't I? And there you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm just saying. You're welcome. ONCO, you ran earlier, but what are you doing for me right now? You're not doing nothing. You're not doing nothing right now. All right, we got the pennant going on over here, and it looks like the pennant is failing a little bit on CNEY.
CNEY.
It's got some, it's holding support right around the VWAP when it does break down like that. So the pennant's still kind of valid, but there's just not enough volume on it.
Not enough volume.
No. XPON. Looks like a double top. Doubles. Looks like a double top, my man. Look. I'm going to get the graffiti pencil out. Don't make me do it. Don't make me do it, X-Spawn. Over there. Boom. X-Spawn. Double top. No. But watch this. It's trying to establish a pennant at this level, though. Look at that. Look. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So this is like unclear what it wants to do. I mean, is it bullish or is it bearish? I mean, overall, it looks bearish, right, doubles? It is holding VWAP. It's holding VWAP. It's forming a pennant. But if I go to the 1 minute,
1 minute,
and I look at it at the 1 minute,
1 minute,
it just doesn't have a lot of volume. So this could be a trap. I don't know. I'm just saying. I don't know. X-Spawn. Meh. I don't know. Not really that interesting. Not yet. Maybe not at all. DUO. Double top breaks down. Coming back to VWAP. Still not a lot of volume on it. Still, look at the barcoding doubles. Barcoding happens when there's lack of volume. And the friendly market makers come in and provide liquidity because that's what they do, because they're kind and gentle. Okay, let's keep on looking. RGF ran early in the morning. Let's take a look at it. It's just, it fell apart. Look at this. It fell over a cliff, broke its neck over here, and then kept on tumbling down. Oh, my. Oh, my. No bueno. Let's go back to ONCO. Let's see if it can get its act together. Let's see. ONCO. I mean, it could. I mean, it needs to break this downtrend. That's the bottom line. Can it break the downtrend? That's what I want to find out. Can it break this downtrend? The thing that it has not going on its side is that the float is rather large. Okay, the stock is $6.36. The float's almost 24 million shares, and it only has a volume of under 11 million shares. That's problematic, doubles. I don't care that it ran as much as it ran. You know, it's a heavier floated stock. It costs $6.40 to buy every single share, which means there's going to be a limited amount of shares that are being bought, and there's just not a heck of a lot of volume. Now there is insider buying on it, but I don't know. I mean, if this float's accurate, I don't know. I don't know. It's got to break that downtrend. Otherwise, it looks like a irregular head and shoulders. There's the head. There's the shoulder. And there's the other shoulder right over there. Okay? And it's struggling to hold that support of 640. So if it fails, there's a shorting area at around $6-ish. Let me move this down a little. Right around here, roughly. $6 right there, more or less. So, I mean, there would be a lot of real estate that it can go down on. So, let's see what the volume's like. The volume looks really bad. Only under 10,000 shares trading right now. I don't know. I'm not loving you. No, I'm not loving you. Nope. You're not looking too schmexy. I mean, yeah, you ran over 90%. I get it. And I give you your props when you do right. But right now, you're not doing right by the indelible pride. And so, yeah. Yeah, what are you doing? TNXP?
TNXP.
Let's go. Lot of top tails, doubles. Lot of top tails. That don't look too good. Don't like those top tails on the one. Let's see what's going on the 5 minute.
5 minute.
Oh, no. Come on, 2 top tails. No. You're extended, my friend. TNXP up 29%. I mean, it's having a hard time moving. This one has a heavier float as well, but the stock's cheap, so I can forgive that, but it just doesn't have a lot of volume right now. 18 million volume, float 20 million. It had the news. It announced issuance of a U.S. patent for treatment of migraine, but you could see it's 2 top tails. They're red. We don't like the top tails doubles.
We like the bottom tails.
We want the bottom tails. Come on. You got to do better than that. Now, if it doesn't hold this support area, which it looks like it won't, the next support area would be right where the VWAP is, which is roughly over here. So let's get the graffiti pencil activated. VWAP's right over here. And if it fails at this level, we could see it drop down to VWAP, which is around 1680. And then we would need to see if it can hold up. Now, the good news is both the 9 and the VWAP are trying to move upward, but you have 2 top tails on the 5 minute chart. So that's not particularly schmexy. And when we go to the 1 minute, it double topped. Right over here. Let's get that graffiti pencil activated. You got a top over here and a top over there. And that generally will mean a flusharoonie. Generally speaking. You just never know for sure, but that's what it looks like. I don't trust TNXP right now. It needs to pull back, and it could do a flusharoonie. So, yeah, okay. You ran a little bit earlier, but so what? What was that thing where he goes, so what? What? So what? You're dirty my driveway. Was that it?
Dirty now.
My driveway dirty.
I gotta clean it again.
We can't do the cursing, unfortunately, because that makes it funny. The cursing makes it really funny.
It's hilarious.
Oh my God, those guys are great. That's Uncle Louie's variety show.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. They're good. They're funny. They're very, very funny. Anywho, all right. On that note, let's go to CNEY.
CNEY.
CNEY. And let's put it on the 5 minute doubles. Let's go check out that pennant, see if it's still in play.
Yeesh.
It is still in play. Look at that. It's still holding up. It's trying. We need to see that 9 EMA move upward. VWAP moving upward. It's uncomfortably close to the lower band of the pennant, but it is still within the pennant. So bravo, bravo. Let's see what happens with you. Let's go to TNXP, see what's happening with it, see if it flushed or not. Did it flush, Doubles? Did it flush?
Flush.
Do we have a flusheroo, or is it going to withstand the test of time? Let's see. All right, let's see. Let's see. I mean, it's trying. It's trying to hold up. I still say it looks like a double top to me, though. Looks like a double top. ATGL was another one that was moving. ATGL. Oh, no. Doubles, doubles, doubles. A head and shoulders pattern of hair. Shoulder.
A head.
A head.
And a shoulder.
And a shoulder. Irregular, but nonetheless, that's what it is. So, it's got to break that downtrend. Just saying. Just saying. All right. All right. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Let me at him. Let me at him. Let me at him. X-Pon.
X-Pon.
All right. So X-Pon's an interesting creature. It's got a double top as a bearish pattern on the 1 minute. And then over here, it has what looks like a potential bull pattern, a bull pennant. On the 5 minute,
What, 5 minutes?
on the 5 minute, it's the
minutes?
same thing. But you can see that it's breaking down on that bull pennant. So I would have to say that the prevailing winds are probably the double top, unfortunately. Unless Doubles, it gets volume. If it gets volume,
Vitamin V.
that would be a different story. But this particular candle right here, 370,000 shares, But the problem is the float is 52 million. I get that it's a 9-cent stock. I get it, but it's barely moving. Right? It was like 39% a couple of minutes ago. Now it's 40%. Volume 74, 75%. Sorry, 74, 75 million. All right. Okay, whatever. Let's go back to ONCO. Let's go.
ONCO.
ONCO. Let's go back and see what's going on with ONCO. It's trying. Doubles, it's trying. Do you see that? It's trying to break through this resistance area. I don't know. I don't know. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see what it looks like in the 1 minute. A lot of red candles, man. Look at the diminishment of the size of the volume on the 1 minute. Look at that. And look at how the RSI is kind of smack in the middle. So, I mean, it could just keep on going down, you know? I don't know. I don't know. It looks bearish to me. I mean, yeah, maybe it's trying to set up a wedge, you know, but I don't know. It needs a lot more volume than that. Let's see what this candle looks like. Yeah, 12,000 shares. No, man. No. No. You got to do better than that, man. You got to do better than that, okay? You need volume. You need a shot of vitamin V. That's what I'm telling you. CNEY. CNEY. Trying to break out of that pennant. What? And then what? Oh my. Are you trying to push and push? Are you pumping and pumping? Is that what you're doing? Let's take a look at it on the 1 minute doubles. Let's see what this candle does right over here. 90,000 shares. Not a lot of shares, but it seems to be moving somewhat. Let's see. Can it break the pennant? Can it break the pennant? Ladies and gentlemen, currently up 62%. 62%. They had some insider buying. I like the float. 2 million. I like that. Volume. 27 million. I like that. But the volume happened earlier in the day. It is trying to break this pennant. Gonna keep a close eye on this fella right here. You know, maybe it might do right by us. Maybe. Time for some espresso, fellas. I'm gonna have some espresso. Oh my! A little break of the pennant. Oh, we have significant resistance right over here at 96.5, and then a 97.5. Let's see if it can break through it. If it could break through it, I drew some levels of resistance above it, just in case. Yes, let's see what happens. Can it stay above this upper band of the pennant? CNEY, 94 cents, currently up 62%. They had some insider buying reported on the 26th. That was yesterday at around 4:36 p.m. And there is volume in it, 28 million now. Float very low, 2 million. It is a sub-dollar stock, so there's some choppiness going on here. Some choppiness, but it did break out. Can it hold? Can it hold? Not a lot of volume on this candle. Oh, well. I mean, it broke out. I got it on a side chart doubles. You know what I mean? I got it on a side chart. X-Bond looks very similar to this chart. X-Bond. X-Bond. The only difference is, and this is a big difference, is it has that double top. But it looks like it's trying to break out of that pennant. I got you on a side chart, X-Bond. I got you on a side chart, you know? We'll see. We'll see. TNXP.
TNXP.
All right. What do we got here? It still looks bearish, yo. I mean, I'm sorry. You got that. Now you can even say that this is like a head and shoulders, right? Here's your head, here's your shoulder, here's your shoulder. Still looks bearish to me. You know, I just don't trust the way it looks. I mean, look, doubles, look. Looka. Do you see it?
Yes.
Yeah, double top or head and shoulders. I don't know. I mean, it's holding at VWAP, so that's good, you know. But I don't know. I don't know. TNXP?
TNXP.
I don't know. We'll see. Duo.
Duo.
Let's share the stream, folks. Let's go. Come on. Let's get some more people in here. Let's get some more people in here. Come on now. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, so that double top, it's got low volume. It tried to test the VWAP right over here. But again, still barcoding. Not enough volume. I tell you, not enough volume. All right, let's see if we can find something else. Is there anything new, D-Bell Moms? Anything new? Anything? How about CYTO? It's got news. CYTO. Let's try that again. Ready, doubles? CYTO. It's got some news, I tell you. It's got news. Let's go put a level over here. Right over here. Little resistance right over here. Not a lot of volume on it. No. We got... let's put this over here. Let's put that over there. So that's a significant resistance area, but that's far away from where we're at right now. Let's see what the situation is with this particular ticker. It's a 72.6 stock, currently up only 8%. The float is low, 2 million, but the volume is even lower at 13,000. Saito is called Altamira Therapeutics. It announced an extended ISO 13485 quality management system certification for Bintrio nasal spray. Yeah, okay. All right. I have no idea what that is, but it's not moving. There's not a lot of volume on it, so... Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. CNY, moving. Moving. It broke through the pennant doubles. Oh, my. The humanity of it. Up 74%. Insider buying. Float 2 million. Volume now almost 30 million. We got new levels of resistance already. Over here, it broke the significant resistance area. Let's see if it can hold. It's above $1. That's like a psychological resistance area. $1, $1 bill, yo. Dollar bill, yo. Dollar bill, yo. Come on, stay above $1. Come on now. Pump it up. Pump up the volume. Pump up the jam. Come on now. Let's go. Don't trust. Yeah, I don't trust CYTO either. No. I'm looking at CNEY right now. CNEY is making some moves. It's making some moves right now. It's making some moves. Can you move that on up? Move that up right there. Move it up. Why are you bringing it down? Right there. Yeah. All right. So the leading gainer right now is ONCO, but it looks bearish. But CNEY broke out of our pennant. Who gave you the pennant, ladies and gentlemen? Let's share that stream. Come on now. Gave you the pennant. Come on now. It's at resistance and it's pumping. Let's do a share party. Share. Did I mention share? Come on now. Let's grow this stream. Let's grow this sucker. Yeah. All right, up 75%.
Up 75%.
CNEY, insider buying. Here's what I like about it. It's got a float of only 2 million.
2 million.
And the volume, baby, keeps going up. 31 million.
Yes.
Pump it up. Come on now, CNEY. You're over $1. You grew up. Let's go. Let's go. We're looking at you. The Indelible Pride is curious. The Indelible Pride is waiting. We are getting hungry. Come on. We don't want no doji candle. We don't want that. Let's go to 1 minute doubles. Let's see what's going on with the 1 minute. 1 minute. A little bit of a pullback. A little bit of resistance right around $1.02. It's holding above $1. That's good. We like that.
Yes.
We got room here. Come on. A little bit of a pullback is okay. RSI is moving towards the overbought area. You got a lot of green candles, but you get that itsy bitsy red little pesky little worm right there turning green right now. Bottom of tail. 77%. Let's go, baby. Push and push. Pump and pump. Come on now. You can do it. Next resistance area 106. Come on now. Zoom, zoom in the room. Let's see what this candle's got. This candle's got 397,000 shares.
Yes.
Shares. Needs more. Pump it. Break the resistance. Come on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Come on now. Come on.
Yes.
I know you're overbought. I get it. But one little squirt up to about $1.04, $1.05. Come on. Pull back. Pull back a little. And then go right back up. Come on. Come on now. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I think you got another squirt in you. Come on now. Squirt it out. Squeeze it out. No? Yeah? Meh? Eh? I don't know. Maybe not.
Squeezy, squeezy. Come on.
Maybe not. Maybe
No?
not. Oh, no. That's no good. Nope. You broke my heart. You broke my heart. What's wrong with you? No. Side chart for you.
Side chart.
You can't do that to the Indelible Pride. No. I'll just put you in I'm giving you a timeout. That's it. Timeout. And no gummy bears for you.
You're lucky you're in the side.
No
chart.
gummy bears for you. No. Okay. All right. So over here, we had a little bit of a sell-off on that irregular head and shoulders. The price action on ONCO is trying to hold this level. So you see its resistance over here. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's see what's going on. Let's go to a higher time frame. Doubles, let's go to a higher time frame. Okay, let's go a little bit higher than that. Let's go even higher than that. Let's go over here. Right there. All right, so what do we got? What do we got, doubles? What do we got? What do we got? Come on, let's see. Right over here, we got resistance right there. Right there. Right there. And that one. Okay. Now, shorter time frame. Boom. Chakalaka. Okay, too much going on over here. Too much going on over here. Let's zoom in.
Yes.
All right. That's kind of confusing. I'm going to get rid of all that. Let's clear it. It's hard to figure out when it's on a higher time frame, you know? But you got a significant level over here that it needs to stay above, right?
Yes.
And it's still, listen, it's still like it's bearish, man. I mean, it needs volume. It is the leading gainer. I don't like the float on it. It's got, it's got to get over, I would say it's got to get over around 675-ish to start looking really, really attractive. Let's go put that up there. 675-ish. Let's go 680. 680. Boom. That area right there makes it schmexier, I would say. Schmexier. So let's see what happens. Let's see. Looks like a double top right now, but yeah, it's holding up. I don't know. I don't know. You know? I don't know. Back to CNEY.
CNEY.
You almost broke my heart, but now you're trying to come back, and I appreciate you. I really, really do. Come on. Get above this resistance level. Come on. Above 102. Let's squeeze it up to about 105, 106. Can we get it? Can we get it?
Come on.
Give me a bottom tail.
Bottom
tail. Look. These candles are green down here. RSI is certainly getting close to that overbought area up here. But that never stopped you before. Look, you ran over here. Same thing. Come on. Bottom tail. No? It just doesn't have the volume, man. It does not have the volume. 93,000. I'm going to still keep an eye on you, though, because I think that as soon as I move away, you know how that goes, right, doubles? You move away, and what do? They grow on you. They just grow on you. All right, Duo. Duo. Let's go check out Duo. All right. Still sub VWAP. Still sub VWAP. Trying to break through. It formed a double top. It flushed. It's trying to recover. Duo is the China special. That's what we like to call Duo. It ran about, I don't know, 150, 160, 170, 180, something like that yesterday. Float 6 million. Volume 26 million. They had some insider buying. Reported at 8 o'clock, but it is a continuation play from yesterday. That makes it extra risky. Currently up 39, 40%, something like that. CNEY moving. Of course, I moved away and it starts moving. Oh, it went to 105 doubles. It's pumping. It's like pushing. 106 is resistance. Come on, baby. Come on, show me love. Show me love. CNEY, 81%. Ladies and gentlemen, who's getting excited? I want a hundy on this one. 100%. Come on now. Come on. Pump it, push it. Give me a bottom tail. Make it green like my M&Ms. I also want my white rose petals, of course. I'm not a diva. I just act like one on a show. Come on now. 105. Let's share that stream, ladies and gentlemen, because we got a potential squeeze coming into play. 107. 82%. Squeezy. You got room. You got room over here, baby. Come on now. Don't give me that top tail, you. Don't be shy. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, don't make me put you on the 1 minute, because I just did. I'll put you on the 1 minute. I'm telling you right now. Break that level. Break 106. Come on now. Come on. We want a little squeezy.
Nice and easy.
Come on. It's time to squeeze the shorts. Slowly I turn. Inch by inch. Come on. Reclaim that wick. You know what it's going to do, right, Doubles?
What's it going to do?
I'm going to go to another ticker.
And then it's going to go up.
And then it's going to start to go up after I go to the other ticker.
I know.
But I'm going to keep an eye on you, you little sneak.
Story of our life.
I'm going to keep an eye on you because I think you're going to squeeze. In fact, I'm not going to leave. Okay, folks, I know it might be boring and maybe it doesn't squeeze. But I think that this little sneak over here wants to squeezy, nice and easy when I'm not watching. So, I'm going to watch it. I'm still watching you. I'm still here. Hello. I'm still here. You need volume. Come on, man. You're going to make me go to another stock? Seriously? You know you're going to run. Come on. Just do it already. Like Nike. Yo, Nike. Sponsorship. Call me. Yo. Come on. Sponsorship. Yo. $1.06. Resistance. Break it. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Let's zoom in. Let's see what's going on. It's extended, Doubles. Look, the RSI very extended. You know, the volume candles going down, but it, you know, it's been doing that all day. 108, 84%. Come on, squeezy, acceleration. Come on, reclaim the top tail, reclaim it. Oh my God, this is so thickly traded on level 2. My goodness, there's so much going on the bid and ask on this thing. Holy, come on. Just a little bit of volume. Volume's coming in. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Still waiting. $1.08. 86%, ladies and gentlemen. Acceleration. Come on. Oh, my. Let's share the stream, ladies and gentlemen. We might have ignition here. Let's go. Come on. Oh, what happened there? Top tail to 110? What? Come on. Don't play like that. Don't be like that. Come on. The indelible pride. They're crying, man. Yo. CNEY, you're making the indelible pride cry. You're making my baby, my little baby. DBL Knicks. Come on, you can't do that to DBL Knicks. It's holding support over here. It's holding support. It's extended. I'm not gonna go to another stock yet. I'm not gonna do it. You know why, Doubles? Because I want to see it squeeze. Come on. It needs volume, man. Come on. This sucks, man. I can't believe it did that. That top tail. Now because you created a top tail, I want to see you break $1.10. That's it. That's it. Come on. Bottom tail.
Bottom tail.
Bottom tail. Bottom. Hey, CNEY, would you be doing this if there was volume from the 9:30 bell? I'm just curious. Okay? But no, because it's pre-market, you're going to embarrass me? Come on now. 87%. Come on.
87%.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Daly says CYTO don't trust, and Duo volume in Duo. All right, we're gonna check out Duo. Let's see what's going on with Duo. DUO.
DUO.
Okay.
Yep.
It broke VWAP a little bit. Needs to do better than that. We'll put a little ringy dingy for it. We'll come back and check it out.
Yay.
Back to CNEY.
CNEY.
It's pumping. It's pushing. Very ever so gently. We got another resistance level at $1.17. 89%. You are grinding, you silly bird, you. CNEY is a silly bird. Come on now. Come on. Give us a nice little push. A little itsy bitsy push. Come on. Can you do it? No. Double topping on the 1 minute. No.
1 minute.
Nope. 5 minute.
5.
Man, look at how extended it is on the 5 minute. But I do want to point out, ladies and gentlemen, who mentioned a bull pennant of the hair quite a while back? Yeah. Yeesh. All right. Listen, 90%. I think that's what we got so far. All right. We'll put you in the side pocket, CNEY. We'll come back to you. Maybe you'll grow up and be a good little stunk. Maybe you won't, but we'll see. ONCO, bearish pattern delineated. It was a double top, and it is, in fact, pulling back. We need it to stay above the $6 mark doubles. $6!
Yay.
$6. It needs to stay above $6 to remain Shemexy. CNEY. Pulling back. It needs to stay at around this level over here, or at the very lowest, this level. But if it gets down to this level, I'm not really that interested. It's double topping. I don't know. You hit 90%. I respect that, but Duo, curling again. Flirting with staying above the VWAP. Next resistance level 156. Breaking out of that double top. This is the China special. Up 44%. Insider buying reported yesterday. Oh, was it yesterday? Today. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. Float 6 million. Volume 27 million. Like that. Like that. Okay. All right. Expon. We got to keep moving. We got to keep grooving, baby. Looks like that bull pennant did not overcome what we thought we had here, which was a double top. So it is breaking down. It's trying to hold VWAP. Float 52 million. Volume 81 million. It's a 9-cent stock. I don't know. CNEY. That's the one that's got my attention. I'm not going to lie. CNEY's got to become a bagger. Come on. Still a double top, doubles on the 5 minute. 5 minute. What does it look like on the 1 minute? 1 minute. 1 minute, I tell you. Let's take a look at the 1 minute. 1 minute. It's trending up, doubles. I'm going to keep an eye on this fella right here. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Because it's trying to push and it's trying to pump. We got resistance at 110. We got some other key levels up there. Can it pump? Can it push? Can it stay above the trend line? Can it continue to move upward? Let's see what the candle looks like. Candle has about 250,000 shares. Does it double top over here and come down? Or does it break through? Does it break through resistance at $1.10? Come on now. Give me a bottom tail. We're waiting for you. We're watching you. New candle has approximately 85,000 shares. Not a lot of shares in it. Okay, we will keep an eye on you. We're going to move this party over to the Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, you're invited to come and join us at the Discord, where you'll get early alerts to all of the bangers that we find, and we find a lot of bangers. A lot of times. And no, we're not going to brag about something moving 10%. And, oh, we told you about it 10 minutes ago and it moved 10%. No. We find the stocks before they go up 100%, 200%, 300%, 1,000%. That's how we do it. That's how we do it, folks. Yeah. Flex. Double pump on both sides, like Arnold. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, would you kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and do what this young man says, please?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share.
Remember to share. Okay, also, X.com. Folks, if you're not following us on X.com, would you do me a favor and drop a follow? Because we're monitoring the small cap market all the way from 4 a.m. in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Who does that, Doubles?
Who does that?
Nobody except us.
Yeah.
Nobody.
Nobody.
All these clowns, they talk like Bozo the Clown with the big red nose, but they don't do what we do. You know what I mean?
What we do.
They don't do what we do.
No.
So, we're also on Facebook and Instagram at Coach McMoney.
At Coach McMoney.
We're on Twitch at Coach McMoney.
At Coach McMoney.
We're on TikTok at DBL Nicks.
DBL Nicks.
At DBL NICKS. Give us a follow on all these platforms. Why not? Okay? And of course, like I said, we will continue live streaming momentarily in the Discord, and you get that free trial for 4 days for $1.99. The link's in the pinned comment and in the description. Take advantage of it. Because that offer is going to be ending pretty soon, and we don't keep these offers all the time, you know. No. We'd love to see you there. We want you to make a lot of money. Because I am Coach Nick Money. Be greenable. And I'm with my compatriot, the one, the only, DBL
Nicks in the house,
aka
the Ringmaker.
Yeah, baby. And then the Force de Resistance, DBL Moms, the bushy tail Serengeti specialist herself. She's constantly getting stonks for you.